The Indian Brand and Leadership Conclave, organized by the Brand Story, saw a significant gathering of industry leaders and experts, celebrated outstanding achievements and contributions in various fields, honoring brands and individuals with prestigious awards in different categories.
I would like to invite our special guest, Miss Shubhani Kashyap, a Bollywood indie pop singer and composer.
Let's watch an exclusive interview of leading brands and leaders of the nation.
Ever since I was like a little girl, and I always dreamt of being a singer and dreamt of being on the stage and singing and being like a diva and creating a lot of songs which people could recognize me with my work. So I think that seed kind of was germinated when I was very, very young. And I guess I followed my dreams and here I am. So I've always been very inspired by Asha Bhosle because she's one of the world's most versatile singing artists, vocalists that we have. From ghazal to item song to love song to sad song. I think she can sing every kind of song with elan. I've always followed her, and versatility is something which I've always liked to inculcate in my singing. Like, I also like to try every genre. So she has always been my idol as a singer. And various other musicians from the West like Sting and, Tina Turner, Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey, and many more, because I love them for their music and their performability, because I think singers from the West, there's a lot to learn from them about the singing techniques and techniques of performing live, which I think is a very big thing in the West. And now slowly I think India is also getting there with great performances on stage, but that is something which I think the West has really mastered. Yeah. Earlier the singers were just voices and people couldn't recognize their faces. They could not understand who's the face behind the voice. But I can very proudly say, okay, when we had the music sung by Kishore Kumar, he used to act also, he used to sing also, so he was he'll always be a legend, right? So it is very important to be on the screen. So I think we made a path-breaking difference with the film Vaisa Bhi Hota Hai Part 2, made by Shashank Ghosh, where I sang Sajna Abhi Ja, Kailash Kher sang Allah Ke Bande, and the songs were picturized on us. And of course, was a decision taken by the director for the benefit of the singer, so that now we will revolutionize how singers will be positioned in Bollywood. So when I did that song, I think the entire nation started recognizing my face, not just my voice. So they could put a face to my voice and to my song Sajna Abhi Ja. Then this trend carried on after that. Whenever I would get an offer to do a film song, even as a composer or a singer, like the film Zinda, the filmmakers would be like, okay, let's create a promotional video with the actors and the singer together. So I think I did 17 such films, and it was amazing for my recognition, I would say, and everybody started recognizing me. And I think that's something which today, now we're sitting here today in 2024, now singers are being recognized because they make it a point also to be seen. Visibility is very important. So you have to take your brand ahead. It's not just your voice, your persona, personality, everything. It's an extension of your voice, right? So yes, now the scenario is changing, and it has changed quite a bit. Reality shows is also like an entertainment, right? Because with all those contestants and those singers comes their stories, a lot of drama, lots and lots of drama, which I think the public just loves. It feeds on a lot of drama. But also it gives a wonderful platform to these unknown singers to suddenly become stars. We have so many singers and they're all they're amazing. Their talent is there. But a singer today cannot just be plain Jane. They have to have some X factor in them. They have to have a certain style of performing. They have to have something unusual in their singing style. And that's how it connects with the audience. So the reality shows gives a platform to these singers to connect directly with such the masses, I would say. So yeah, they're very good, but of course, everything has its dark side to it. There are a lot of deserving ones who are very subtle people and sober, and they don't get to come up front. They don't get to be selected. And there are many reality shows where you need a lot of drama in them, and singers like me don't get a chance. But then you can't fool the public. Let's take a singer like Arijit Singh. I think he's very simple. He's simply dressed. He doesn't do any drama on stage, but his voice is so captivating. His singing style is so captivating, so powerful that you can never ignore him. And I mean, millions of people all over the world just love Arijit Singh, you know. It's a simplicity which comes across. So at the end of the day, whatever you do, आप जितना मर्जी drama कर लो, जितना मर्जी controversy कर लो, if your talent is not strong, if you don't have the talent, you cannot sustain, you cannot survive. You'll be there for a little while, थोड़ा सा आप news maker बन के निकल लोगे, but I will definitely like to say that your talent is prime. I'm sure there are many more deserving people and they are coming up also. I mean, look at the singer called Vishal Mishra, for example. So suddenly I think he's a rage. Today we talk about a song from Animal, Pehle Bhi Main, you know, everyone singing his song. But what happens is that Arijit is so versatile. He's already struck a chord with the people. That he can make people cry with his songs. He can bring... So there's so many songs he's already done. There's a history attached to that. I'm sure that with amazing singers like Vishal Mishra and so many more like him, with time, with more songs coming their way, with more songs that they will create, they will also become as legendary, as popular. But Arijit Singh has a whole history of work behind him, right? And he's got a body of work and lots of volume of work, which the filmmakers and producers feel that, okay, no, he's a no-brainer. Let's just get Arijit.